Thursday, April 7th. We have 2 parts for your workouts today. For part A, we're going to be working on 5 rounds for max repetitions. We have 30 seconds of work and 30 seconds of rest. We will be doing 4 separate movements. Movement number 1 is the jumping squat. Movement number 2, push-up. Movement number 3, jumping lunge. And movement number 4, V-up. So you will do 30 seconds of jumping squat, 30-second rest, 30 seconds of push-ups, 30-second rest, 30 seconds of jumping lunge, 30 seconds of rest, and 30 seconds of V-ups, 30 seconds rest. We will cycle through that structure 5 times. For part B today, we have some Turkish get-ups. For time, you will complete 50 Turkish get-ups. There is a 10-minute time cap to this workout. Get creative with whatever you have at home, dumbbell, kettlebell, barbell, odd object. You can perform a Turkish get-up with nearly anything. Good luck. Let us know how you did. We're excited to hear.